Announcing today its potential COVID vaccine is 94.5% effective, drugmaker Moderna says if granted emergency authorization by the FDA, it could roll out doses as early as December. Its clinical trial with 30,000 participants finding no significant safety concerns.
What does this mean for Americans at home?
It means some hope that we are going to beat this thing, and we're going to beat it sooner rather than later.
Moderna now joins Pfizer, who just last week reported their vaccine is 90% effective.
We have enough vaccine doses between these two vaccines to immunize about 20 million people during the month of December.
States will decide how to roll out vaccines, but the National Academy of Medicine makes this recommendation. Covering just 5% of the population, Phase 1A includes high-risk Americans like healthcare workers and first responders, and there's currently not enough doses for them. Phase 1B covers those with underlying medical conditions and seniors living in congregate settings like nursing homes. Phase 2 covers 30 to 35% of the population and includes critical workers like those in the food supply system, teachers, and those over 65. Phase 3, 40 to 45% of the population, includes most young adults and children. Phase 4 protects everyone else.
Our goal would be by the second quarter to have enough vaccine for every American that would like to get vaccinated.
With the hope of vaccinating most Americans by the end of spring, details and dates remain unclear. Moderna's vaccine, for example, did not study children, who it will test next. Questions also remain over vaccinating pregnant women and infants.
The U.S. government hopes to provide the vaccine free of charge. There's also optimism it could be distributed at drugstores where Americans have easy access to it. Lester?
All right, Miguel Almaguer, thanks. Joining me now is Dr. John Torres. Dr. John, the good news, obviously, is that these COVID vaccines appear to work quite well. But how safe are they?
Well, Lester, both drug companies announced that their vaccines had minimal side effects, but they have to show the FDA 2 months of safety data before requesting emergency use authorization. Now, I've been told by experts the FDA won't approve any COVID vaccine unless they have all the data on the trials and they're sure it's effective and equally important safe. And since pregnant women and young children were not tested, they'll have to wait for further trials.
All right, let me ask you this. With more than one vaccine coming to market, how will we know which one to choose?
Well, there will be multiple vaccines available, but the ones available to you will depend on where you live and what group you fall into. But most experts tell me, and I agree, the best vaccine is the one you get, so don't wait for one vaccine over the other.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.